Hi! In front of me is tablet DELL Rugged 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can change this tablet's theme. First of all, open Devices Settings. And click on Personalization on the left. After that, tap on Colors. And manage all of those options however you want to. Select a perfect mode. Switch off or on transparency effects. And tap on the best accent color. When you finished, just go back. You can also manage all of those options the same way. If you don't want to do it, you can always click on Themes instead. Scroll down. Tap on Browse Themes next to Get More Themes from Microsoft Store and download the best one for you. If you don't want to do it as well, just click on one of those available themes and apply the best one for you. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!